Struggling to set goals that don't just become more pressure on your to do list? When life feels like a constant juggle and everyone seems to need something from you, it's easy for your own priorities to take a back seat. If your goals are starting to feel like a burden instead of something that lifts you up, it's not a sign that you're failing, it's a sign you need a gentler approach. Let me show you a simple way to refocus on what actually matters to you this month. Let's go. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set goals that actually support you, not stress you out, by focusing on just a few meaningful areas of your life. Now, if you're new here, I'm Marianne, and on this channel, I talk about planning, self-care, and how to live a more balanced life one small step at a time. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple goal-setting method based on Zig Ziglar's 7 life areas, how to choose the right focus areas for you this month, and how to break those goals into small, actionable steps so you can actually feel proud, not pressured. So grab your planner or just a notebook and let's get into it. Let's start with the 7 key areas of life. This is a framework inspired by Zig Ziglar, and I love it because it helps you zoom out and look at the big picture, not just your to-do list. Here are the 7 key areas of life in no particular order. Spiritual. This is your sense of peace, mindfulness, your purpose, and if it resonates with you, your faith or deeper connection. Mental is your mindset, emotional well-being, and keeping your mind engaged through learning or reflection. Physical, your energy levels, movement, rest, and how you're nourishing and caring for your body. Family and home, your relationship with loved ones and the environment you create and live in every day. Social, your friendships, support system, and meaningful connections outside your home. Career, this could be your work, your business, creative projects, or anything that gives you a sense of purpose and contribution. And finally, financial key area of life. How you're managing, saving, and feeling about money and the role that it plays in your peace of mind. Each month, I ask myself, which 1 to 3 of these areas need most love or attention right now? You don't have to do it all. In fact, you shouldn't. Focus allows for progress. So, how do you choose which area of life to focus on? Here are some questions that you can ask yourself. What's currently draining my energy or making me anxious? What's one area that, if improved, would help everything else feel a little bit easier? And what season am I in right now? Mentally, emotionally, and physically. Now, maybe your career is going well, but your physical energy is tanking. Or maybe you've been pouring into family and your social or mental health is running on empty. This is your chance to pause and check in, not to judge, just to notice. Now write down 1, 2, or 3 at most of those life areas to focus on for this month. Now let's get practical. For each area you've chosen, set one clear, simple goal, something realistic that feels meaningful, not massive. So for example, if you picked physical, your goal might be get outside for a 20-minute walk 4 times a week. Now, if you picked mental, maybe you can say start journaling for 5 minutes each morning. Or for financial, it could be track my spending weekly in my planner. Then break each goal down into smaller action steps. What needs to happen first? Can you add it to your planner? Can you track it simply with no pressure for perfection? I always say progress feels better than pressure. Keep it light and keep it doable. Here's a truth I want you to remember. You don't have to fix every part of your life all at once. You don't have to be perfect to make progress. This is about choosing what matters most right now and honoring that with your time and energy. Then after a few weeks, we can check in again and adjust. That's how real change happens, bit by bit. So let go of the guilt and the pressure, the I should be doing more thoughts. You're allowed to focus on less and still create more of the life you want. If you'd like some support with this, the Ultimate Planner Bundle Printable includes goal setting worksheets based on the 7 areas of life, as well as mid-month check-in and end-of-month reflection. I've added the link in the description below as well as on the screen, so just click to shop the printable download. And if this video gave you a little bit of peace, a little bit of clarity today, I would love for you to hit that thumbs up button and hit subscribe. I've got more videos coming your way on self-care, planning, and living a life that feels like yours. So drop a comment below and let me know, which life area are you focusing on for this month? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.